Okay, here we have medium-sized buttons. And to button medium-sized buttons, it's the same as big buttons. We're going to pinch the button, find the hole, put it through the hole, pull it tight, just like that. Now, sometimes we need help with buttoning, and it's a little difficult, so there's something called a buttoning hook. And all you do is you take the button hook and you slip it through the hole. I'm going to scoop the button, then take it to the end, so pull back just a little bit. Now my button is secure. I'm going to now pinch the fabric, pull it through the buttonhole. Now I just slide to release the button. We're going to do it one more time for you. Put it in the buttonhole all the way through. Scoop the button, bring it to the end. Grab the fabric, pull the button through the hole. Then we release the button. Okay, the same thing. Now we have a shirt with small buttons. They're really tiny, but we can still use a button hook. We're going to push it through the buttonhole, scoop the button, bring it to the very end. This is tiny, so it's important to get it to the very end. Then pull it back through the buttonhole, then release. One more time. Push it through the buttonhole, and it's kind of a little smaller, so it may take some effort. Scoop the button, bring it to the very end to secure it. Then pull it through the hole, then release. Through the hole, then release.